First thing first, gather 6 unique paper strips, each measuring 20 cm horizontal and 1 cm vertical. I have these 6 colors, which you can choose any color as your own wish. Take one strip from the 6 papers and connect its opposite end. That's your opening move, and trust me, it's a game changer. Now grab the remaining 5 strips and arrange them just right. This part is both interesting and a bit challenging, but I believe in you. Watch closely. As you follow along, it starts looking like a dazzling star. Secure this tiller arrangement with tape as we gear up for the next step. And there you have it. Our colorful paper ball is ready, and it is ready to play with us. Hit subscribe for more fantastic crafting content. Until next time, happy crafting.